Improving your drawing in just 4 steps. First of all, there are 4 steps in this video, and the last step is the step I used and many YouTubers and famous artists use in their art and improving their drawings. So, let's start the video without any pause. Step 1. Practice differently. Practice makes a man perfect. You have seen this quote many times, but chasing the point, we can see that practice changes a man really. I used to practice many times while drawing, and there are many sketchbooks filled with my sketches and practices. It's about changing your mind and imagination to the art. I even draw in my classes, I know. Step 2. Be regular. This step is very important and building up your base even more. So many people think that practice and being regular is same thing, but no. I recommend both because practice is the thing that like a sketch that can be made in just 10 minutes or 10 seconds, and regular is like making a drawing with spending 1 hour or 2 hours a day and taking a long time to make it. So be regular, draw regularly, so it will improve your art and your understandable mind to match your drawing and imagination, and it will improve your thinking skills that what to do by this time, and the shades and the drawing are you making with watercolors or any medium, you will get perfect by it by time. You have never seen this word, but it's our step 3, mind wars. No YouTuber and a creator or an artist will tell you this mind wars. Mind wars is the time that you think that I don't want to draw, and this kind of excuse comes because you are bored with a drawing. So change the topic and draw something else, and your mind will be not bored, and so you can skip many drawings that you are making in between. You gotta be stable, but sometimes you can change it. It's okay. And mind wars can also help you make big projects and be good at drawing with bigger artworks. So if I'm drawing on A3 sheets and then I'm bored, so I will bit and then I'll use something else like a drawing on a A4 sheet and practice some sketches of anime. That's all. But the main thing in mind war is you gotta control your mind and be imaginable to draw anything. And the main word that comes around the whole art industry is imagination. Now it's time for the final step. Step number 4, point of view. Now you will be thinking the point of view of 3D, 2D or 4D or many types of dimensions. But it's not about that. It's about the object or the reference you are taking or the picture you are taking and what point of view your mind is creating with that picture. The point of view. Many inspiration. We all have inspiration. My personal inspirations are Guak's art and Josh art, and they are my inspiration. So I take a point of view of their drawing and into my drawing. So you can see many things that are similar in our drawing, like cross hatching that they use, and you can also use by your inspiration. That is not called copying. That's inspiration. So it's your point of view of using the things that you see on your point of view to the drawing. Like drawing realistic will take many things like shading. So when we are shading, we will see the point of view if the eye area is darker or the hair area. You can see by your own imagination or thinking, because you know how thing works. So it was the final step, and the point of view is really important for the step to improve your drawing in being an art. So you may be thinking how the improvement. So there are many upcoming videos upon this topic and many topics. So to watch my improvement, just click on the two videos coming on your screen.